Welcome back to Preyo Promo, your ultimate guide for optimizing your digital workflow with fast and effective tech solutions. Are you looking to add engaging, hand-drawn animations to your tutorials without wasting hours creating keyframes from scratch? Today, I'm showing you the pro-level secret to adding dynamic sketch motion effects inside Camtasia in just seconds. Step 1. Launch the app. First, open your Camtasia application on your computer to launch your main video production editing interface. Step 2. Load project assets. Press the prominent Import Media button and select the exact files you want to edit into your project. Step 3. Timeline track placement. Long press your imported video file and drag it smoothly down onto the primary track 1 timeline lane. If you want to save money and stay ahead with the best viral tech hacks, subscribe to Preyo Promo right now. Step 4. Access Graphics panel. Navigate over to the left side Tool Menu Options panel and click directly on the Annotations tab. Step 5. Open Sketch folder. Look at the sub-menu layout header options at the top of the panel and select the Sketch Motion category. Step 6. Choose Animation preset. Browse the interactive drawing styles and select the exact shape, circle, or checkmark asset you want. Step 7. Apply drawing effect. Drag and drop your chosen sketch graphic directly onto your video canvas to instantly draw your viewer's focus. Thanks for watching Preyo Promo. Smash that like button and I'll see you in the next one.